Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Alesis Harmony 61 Pro, a keyboard that packs a surprising amount of features, especially for those just starting out or looking for a versatile instrument without breaking the bank. This is a 61-key keyboard, and right away, you notice it has full-size keys, which is great for developing proper technique. It also offers user-adjustable touch response, meaning you can set how sensitive the keys are to your playing dynamics, which is a crucial feature for expressive playing. You also get a pitch bend wheel, standard for adding expression to melodies. One of the standout features is the XY Performance touchpad. This isn't something you typically see on keyboards in this category. It allows for real-time manipulation of sounds and effects, including a mix mode with DJ-style effects. This adds a whole layer of fun and creativity, letting you warp and twist sounds on the fly. The keyboard also comes with 30 different styles, each with 5 sections, providing a solid foundation for playing along or creating arrangements. Sound-wise, the Harmony 61 Pro boasts 580 premium sounds. That's a huge library covering everything from pianos and organs to synths and orchestral instruments. You can layer sounds together or split the keyboard to play different sounds with each hand, expanding your performance possibilities. It has a 64-note maximum polyphony, which is ample for most playing situations, preventing notes from cutting off prematurely. A really unique addition is the ability to sample your own sounds using the built-in microphone. Imagine recording a sound and then playing it across the keys. Controlling all these features is made easy with a clear control panel centered around a backlit LCD screen. This screen is quite helpful, not only showing you the selected sound and settings, but also displaying notation for the built-in songs and even a chord dictionary, which is fantastic for learners. The keyboard has a powerful and clear 30W stereo speaker system, delivering sound through two 15W speakers, so you don't necessarily need external amplification for practice or small performances. Built-in effects add further depth to your sound. You get 10 types of reverb, 8 chorus effects, and even 2 slicer effects, allowing you to shape your tone significantly. For accompaniment, there are 180 built-in auto accompaniment patterns, covering various genres, and a built-in metronome adjustable from a very slow 5 BPM up to a fast 280 BPM. Learning is made engaging with 177 built-in songs that feature lesson functionality, guiding you through playing them. Connectivity includes a USB MIDI connection, making it easy to hook up to a computer for use with educational software, recording software, or even controlling virtual instruments. And for capturing your performances, there's an SD card input that lets you record your playing as a high-quality lossless .wav file. Overall, the Alesis Harmony 61 Pro seems like a feature-rich option. With its adjustable touch response, extensive sound library, unique XY pad, learning tools, and recording capability, it offers a lot for its class, making it a strong contender for beginners or anyone looking for a versatile and fun 61-key instrument.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.